Welcome to English Practice Every Day. This visual English practice video is for beginner level learners. In this video, we will describe this image in very simple English with short, clear, and easy to understand sentences. Throughout our practice, I will highlight important words, phrasal verbs, and collocations. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. This is a photo of a woman in a kitchen. She is standing next to a small table and pouring milk into a glass bowl. Pour into. Pour into means to move a liquid into something. Pour into means to move a liquid into something. She is holding a large brown clay jug in her right hand. The milk is slowly coming out of the jug and going into the bowl. She is looking down and seems very calm and focused. Calm. Calm means quiet and peaceful. Calm means quiet and peaceful. Her face shows no strong emotion and she looks peaceful and thoughtful. The woman is wearing a yellow and green long-sleeved shirt. The top part of her shirt is yellow and the lower sleeves are green. She has a dark blue apron tied around her waist. Apron. Apron is a piece of clothing worn over clothes to keep them clean. Apron is a piece of clothing worn over clothes to keep them clean. She is also wearing a white headscarf that covers her hair. The scarf is tied at the back and falls loosely over her back. Her clothes look simple but neat and clean. Her hands are soft and gentle as she pours the milk. She is standing up straight but leaning just a little bit forward to make sure the milk goes into the bowl. Lean forward. Lean forward means to bend the top part of the body toward something. Lean forward means to bend the top part of the body toward something. The table next to her is small and square. It is covered with a dark green tablecloth. On the table, there is a brown ceramic plate with 3 round loaves of bread. The bread looks fresh and crusty. Crusty. Crusty means having a hard outer layer. Crusty means having a hard outer layer. Next to the bread, there is a blue plate with some scones or biscuits. These snacks are golden brown and look soft and tasty. Next to them is the milk bowl, and she is pouring the milk directly into it. Near the milk bowl, there is a dark-colored jar, probably made of glass or ceramic. It has a lid on top. The jar is a little shiny and reflects some of the light from the window. Everything on the table is neatly placed and well organized. There is enough space between the items and nothing looks messy or out of place. Behind the woman, the wall is plain and light beige in color. It is simple and has no decorations, but there is a soft, warm feeling in the room. On the wall, there is a wicker basket hanging by a hook. Wicker basket. Wicker basket means a basket made from thin sticks woven together. Wicker basket is a basket made from thin sticks woven together. The basket is light brown and made of woven straw. Below the basket, there is a small leather bag or pouch also hanging from a hook. Both of these items look old-fashioned but useful. The basket is slightly tilted to one side, as if someone just hung it there quickly. To the left of the woman, there is a window with a wooden frame. The window lets in natural light. The sunlight coming through the window is soft and gentle. It lights up the woman's face, her clothes, and the food on the table. The window has glass panes that are arranged in a grid. The glass looks a bit frosted, so we can't see outside clearly. But we can tell that it is daytime. The light gives the whole room a warm and cozy feeling. In the bottom right corner of the picture, we can see a small wooden box. It is placed on the floor and looks like it could be used for storage. The box has small handle on the top, and there seems to be something kept inside. The box is not the main focus, but it adds to the overall homely atmosphere of the kitchen. The colors in this photo are soft and natural. The browns of the bread, jug, and basket match nicely with the yellow and green of the woman's clothes. The dark blue apron and tablecloth give a strong contrast, making the food and the milk bowl stand out more. The background is plain, but the soft light brings out every small detail. The texture of the bread, the smooth surface of the jug, and the folds in the fabric. The whole photo looks very peaceful and quiet. It captures a simple moment in everyday life. The woman is not rushing. She is taking her time, doing one task carefully. It is a good example of the phrase, take your time. She is focused on what she is doing and not thinking about anything else. This is a moment of stillness. The way she holds the jug and looks at the bowl shows that she is used to this work. It is probably part of her daily routine. She might be getting breakfast ready or preparing something for later. The room looks like it belongs to someone who lives simply and keeps things in order. You could say that everything is in its place in this kitchen. Nothing is too fancy or too modern. The style is simple and timeless. The objects on the table, bread, biscuits, a jar, a bowl, and a jug, are basic, everyday items. But the way they are arranged and the way the light falls on them makes them look beautiful. This photo reminds us that there is beauty in simple things. It tells us that even a small task like pouring milk can be meaningful if we do it with care. The woman in the photo is not smiling, but she seems content. Her calm face and gentle hands suggest that she is at peace with her work. In short, this image shows a quiet kitchen scene. A woman is doing her work with care and attention. The colors are warm and soft. The room is simple but full of quiet charm. The photo teaches us to slow down, notice the small things, and find joy in the moment. It is a lovely picture of everyday life. That's the end of our practice. I urge you to keep describing your surroundings in simple English to become more fluent. Bye for now.